Hello, thank you for purchasing your Echo H2 pitcher. Today we'll be going over all of the materials that you receive in the box, and we'll also be showing you how to use the pitcher itself. Now that we have the pitcher unboxed in front of us, we'll be talking about the various things that you find inside. First is the pitcher itself. Additionally, inside you'll find 3 bags of baking soda. We recommend that you utilize 1 each time you clean the machine. We also recommend that you clean the machine 3 times before you use it. You'll also find the charging cable, the power brick, and the user manual. The first thing you'll notice about the Echo pitcher is that it comes with a magnetic lid. This lid is designed to prevent it from falling off when you tilt the pitcher to pour out any water that you have inside it. You'll also notice that there are 2 moisture retention caps found inside the pitcher. You need to take these off prior to use. Simply reach inside, twist them off, and a small amount of water will come out. The water is stored inside the moisture retention caps. These caps are there to prevent the proton exchange membrane, which creates the hydrogen, from drying out. If you ever do not use your pitcher for more than a week at a time, you should replace the moisture retention caps inside your pitcher with a small amount of water in it to keep that proton exchange membrane moist. Once you have the moisture retention caps removed, you will need to fill the pitcher with filtered water. Now we'll be talking about the touchpad here on your Echo pitcher. The touchpad itself is actually heat sensitive and not pressure sensitive. On the touchpad, you'll find 2 individual buttons that you need to touch to activate the various features on your pitcher. The button on the left is the hydrogen creation button. This button has 2 individual settings, a 10-minute setting and a 20-minute setting. The button on the right, which you need to hold for 5 seconds, is actually the cleaning button. The reason for this is that we don't want you to accidentally activate the cleaning cycle when you're trying to get hydrogen water. Now we'll talk about the charging functionality of the Echo pitcher. All Echo pitchers come with a charging brick here and an additional USB-C cable. You simply plug the cable into the power brick, plug that into your wall, and this end into the Echo pitcher itself for easy hydrogen water on the go. We'll now activate the Echo pitcher so you can see this pitcher in action. The Echo pitcher itself uses the water inside and passes it through a proton exchange membrane. This membrane infuses hydrogen into the water, as you can clearly see below. This setting also has a 10-minute and 20-minute cycle. The 10-minute cycle utilizes the membrane and adds in up to 1 part per million hydrogen. The 20-minute cycle adds in up to 2 parts per million hydrogen. Once the cycle has been activated, the number will count down until it reaches 0, at which point it will make a sound indicating that your water is infused with hydrogen and ready to drink.